By the end of this video, you will know how to set up automations in monday.com. Start by signing in to your monday.com account. Enter your account details and wait for the workspace to load. If you have access to more than one workspace or board, make sure you are in the correct account before continuing, since the automation will be added to the board you open next. Once you are signed in, open the board where you want the automation to run. This can be any board where you manage items, updates, or status changes. The important part here is choosing the board that matches the workflow you want to automate, because the settings you create will apply to that specific board. After the board is open, move to the top area of the board and click the Automate button. This opens the Automation Center, where monday.com shows available automation options for the board you are currently viewing. If the panel takes a moment to appear, wait for it to finish loading before selecting anything. Inside the Automation Center, browse through the available templates. These templates are pre-built automation setups that you can use as a starting point. As you look through them, select the one that matches the action you want to happen on your board. When you find the right one, click Use Template to open its setup screen. Next, configure the automation. This is where you choose the required column and any other settings that the selected template needs. Depending on the template, you may need to connect a status column, date column, person column, or another field already on your board. Review each selection carefully so the automation points to the correct board elements. A common issue here is choosing the wrong column with a similar name, so take a second to confirm each setting before moving forward. When the setup looks correct, click Create Automation. This saves the automation and turns it on for the board. Once you click it, monday.com will apply the template using the settings you selected. If there is a short delay, give it a moment to finish creating the rule. To confirm that everything was added properly, open the Manage tab. In that section, you can review the automations connected to the board and verify that the new one appears in the list. This is the place to check that the automation was successfully saved and is now active on the board. At this point, you have signed in, opened the right board, selected a template, configured it, created it, and checked that it appears in the Manage tab. Your monday.com automation is now set up and enabled on your board.